In the competitive world of e-commerce, providing customers with personalized options can make all the difference. Introducing the WooCommerce Extra Product Options plugin, the ultimate tool for enhancing your online store and offering customizations that delight your customers. With its robust features and user-friendly interface, WooCommerce Extra Product Options empowers you to create dynamic product options and add-ons that cater to your customers' unique preferences. Unlimited product options. Say goodbye to limitations with WooCommerce Extra Product Options. Create an unlimited number of product options, including text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down menus, and more, allowing you to offer a wide range of customization choices to your customers. Conditional logic. Make your product options more dynamic and intuitive with conditional logic. Show or hide options based on previous selections, guiding customers through the customization process and ensuring they only see relevant choices, enhancing the user experience and reducing confusion. Pricing and inventory management. Set custom prices for product options and manage inventory levels with ease. With WooCommerce Extra Product Options, you can assign individual prices to each option, accurately reflecting the cost of customizations and keep track of stock levels to prevent overselling. Image and color swatches. Enhance product customization with image and color swatches. Allow customers to preview different options visually, making it easier for them to visualize their selections and reducing the likelihood of returns or exchanges due to mismatched expectations. Form Builder. Create custom forms to collect additional information from customers during the ordering process. Whether you need to gather measurements, preferences, or special requests, WooCommerce Extra Product Options enables you to design tailored forms that meet your specific needs, improving order accuracy and customer satisfaction. Multi-step checkout. Streamline the checkout process and reduce cart abandonment with multi-step checkout. Break down the ordering process into manageable steps, guiding customers through each stage with clear instructions and progress indicators, resulting in a smoother and more enjoyable shopping experience. Whether you're selling personalized gifts, customizable products, or subscription boxes, WooCommerce Extra Product Options gives you the flexibility to tailor your offerings to your customers' individual tastes and preferences. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with WooCommerce Extra Product Options is seamless and hassle-free. Ready to take your online store to the next level? Visit the WooCommerce Extra Product Options website today and discover the power of personalized product customization with WooCommerce Extra Product Options.